How to set a camera timer on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, launch the camera app. Next, select a photo mode. Then you want to swipe up to open up this menu at the bottom here. In here, you want to go to the last option on the right hand side and tap on that. When you tap on the timer, it will allow you to select off, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds. So select a timer period. So here I will select 5 seconds. And then now you can just focus on a subject that you want to take the picture. Then tap on the shutter button and the timer will start to count down. And after 5 seconds, it will capture the picture automatically. And that is how you can set a camera timer. Now, if you want to reset the timer back to 0 or turn it off, just simply open up this. You need to swipe up, then open up this menu, and then tap on the timer icon, then choose off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.